It began like any other dawn, soft, beautiful, and endless. But each day, the sun rose larger and burned brighter than before. The blue sky faded, replaced by a deep red glow that never ended. Oceans began to vanish into the sky, rising as ghosts of vapor. Mountains melted, rivers boiled, even the air began to burn. The last clouds dissolved into nothing. There was no sky left to hold them. The air itself was stripped away, torn into light by the dying sun. Now, the sun filled the heavens to truest, a burning wall swallowing the world. The planet took its last breath, a sigh of fire and silence. And then, the Earth was gone Tavri, consumed by the star that gave it life.